Andrew here, Dr. Detail. During the Corona, or that sounds better. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. We're here at the shop working hard to make sure you guys transport yourself down the road safely. This gentleman who had this wheel was a 2016 Mercedes. He decided to go over the train track sideways, destroyed all 4 tires, bent all 4 wheels, cracked 3 wheels. We got him up and running. Parts were back ordered almost 3 months. Couldn't get this type of wheel. Wheel crack, another wheel crack. We'll go in the shop here. Dr. Detail, this wheel was bent. It was bent here, bent there. We touched it up, it's nice, polished. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. We are open during the Corona issue. Hope we get this straightened out. How do I look in my mask? Make sure you keep your social distance. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com.